not distracted. All right, next principle is target your audience.
Yes. Again, we've talked about this a lot, but it's worth reemphasizing. You need to understand who your audience is and what they would like to see or what they need to see. Create different pages for different users. You could do different pages within the same report. You can do different apps. You can do different reports within an app. There's a lot of different ways you can approach this, but it's important to consider when you should separate reports according to your audience, right? There's no reason. You don't need to cram it all into one big app and expect everyone to digest the same thing.
And I think as we work with different companies and try to refactor some of their reports, what I find a lot is people tend to cram everything they possibly can onto a single page, thinking that they'll serve all their audiences better, but in reality, they cause confusion.
Yeah, my experience is it's either one, it's on the other end of the spectrum, right? It's one report that everyone should see is scattered into 17 reports, which really could just be one report.